Do 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 wa da da da.
Hello all, so we just got our, someone's knocking on the door. We just got our room number, which is 3905. So we are headed up to the third floor. We are headed up to the third floor.
When it hits you, yes, 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 you shine. When it hits you, yes, 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 yes. When it hits you, yes, 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 you shine. When it hits you, yes, 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 you holler, yes. 1, 2, 3, do it.
Here we are. Okay, so we are gonna give a little room tour. There is a full-length mirror when you first walk in, and then there are 2 bathrooms. This is what makes the Polynesian studios so unique. So here is the big bathroom, which you could actually fit a bed or a pack and play or something, some sort of sleeping child in here for sure. There's a bathroom, a nice bathtub with a shower. And then also up there is a nice little hanging, you know, where you can hang your towels and bathing suits. There's also this sweet little cutout right here to put shampoo, razors, whatever you need. And then this wonderful, vanity area. So here is the Disney soaps. And then there is some cutouts, some little drawers. And then walking, look at the mermaids. Oh my gosh, I love that. Okay, so then you walk over and then here is the next bathroom. So here is another shower with a vanity area, cutouts, and everything just like the other one, but it's nice to have, another little shower. And then here is the kitchenette area. So let me turn on a light. Okay, here is the kitchenette. There is a microwave, some glassware, paper towel, everything. There's another little shelf up there, which is kind of hard to reach for someone who's really short like me. There is a coffee maker, a toaster, and then my mom is sticking things in, but here is another little fridge. There is no freezer, I will tell you that. Some of them have freezers. Here is recycling and trash. And then I skipped this little part right here. But here is a nice huge pull-out, or a nice huge closet with, there's a laundry basket up there. And if you didn't know, if you're a DVC member and you are staying on your DVC points in a studio that doesn't have a laundry machine, you can actually do your laundry for free, and you just scan your magic band to get into the laundry facilities. So then here is a pack and play, a safe, another little, I would use that as a shoe rack, and then also a, what is this? An ironing board. Okay, closing that, and then we're moving into the main part of the room. here is Rosie on the ground. Hello, Rosie. Okay, so this is lovely. What I love about this is it's on a stand, so you can actually put your luggage underneath. It's great for storage. You've got some side tables. This pulls out. Oh my gosh, look at this. Here's some drawer space right here. Both sides pull out. This is awesome. Here's some more drawer space. So, oh, some overhead lighting on this side. And then it's also got lighting here. And then out into the main room, this is one queen size bed. And then a second pull-out couch. I know, this is amazing. So here is the second pull-out couch, and then this is kind of in all the different, but it's another little storage area right in front of the couch, and it is on rollers, so it's actually really easy to move around. And then we got a little hello welcome gift, and here is 2 chairs, a nice little seating area, a television, and a pull-out bed, which is awesome. And who's themed here? Lilo and Stitch. I love these pull-out beds, these fifth sleepers, because they have like a different theming depending on what hotel you're at. So it's Lilo and Stitch there. And then if you look over here, you can turn off that light. So putting that back up, and we actually got a standard view as opposed to a preferred view, and I feel like we still have a preferred view because we have a pool. So
we're not on the back
yeah,
side.
we are not on the back side. We got very lucky. They were very kind to us over here at the Polynesian. And if you look out at this beautiful lanai, because it's a lanai here, it's got this wonderful covering, and you can hear the thunder rolling in. And look at, I think that's, I believe, here's the quiet pool right here. Look at all those cabanas.
This was the adult pool.
Look at the cabanas.
Yeah.
So this is stunning. What a beautiful view. And then, oh, look over there, Mom. It's the Seven Seas Lagoon and the monorail. Cinderella's freaking castle.
You can watch the fireworks from here.
Oh my gosh.
Vacation.
You'll see Cinderella's castle. We want Cinderella's freaking castle.
When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, yes, you shall. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, yes. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, 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 you shall. When it hits you, yes.